could have grabbed anything. Why the Gumball machine? Why the Gumball machine? Sharona, crime scene photos.
Mr. Lucarelli, can I say something? Yeah. Your nephew, Tony, here, is in really great shape.
Oh, come on, Sharona.
I mean, he's lost a ton of weight, and he kept it off, which is really the hard part. So, don't you think he should have a different nickname?
Uncle Sal, I didn't say anything.
He's always been Fat Tony, ever since he was a kid.
Yeah, I know, but look at him. What about Big Tony? That's pretty close.
We really got a Big Tony.
Who?
Big Tony.
This conversation is over. In fact, it never happened.
Oh, that's a shame.
It's not here.
What's not here?
The Gumball machine.
Well, they used it to smash the window, then took off down the alley.
I know, but where is it? These pictures were taken that morning. But it's not in the street. It's not in the back room. They must have taken it with them.
Why would they do that?
Salvatore, sir. What happened here, these murders, had nothing to do with you or your family. It was all about these.
Gumballs.
Gumballs.
Hey, Phil, how you doing? Remember us?
You said you didn't like crossword puzzles.
I thought I'd try one.
Pretty good. Greek vowel, 4 letters, beginning with I.
Iota, I-O-T-A.
Thank you.
I like puzzles, too. I've been working on a pretty tough one. It involves you, Mr. Bedard. That's you, isn't it? It was taken in front of the barber shop the day before the massacre.
Maybe.
That's a pretty big bubble, Phil. You must have bought, what, 4, maybe 5 gumballs?
It was five gumballs. Here's what happened. You stole 5 cents from your employer last week. On any other job, no one would miss it. Of course, you worked for the U.S. Mint. They were those 5 double-headed pennies.
We did a little research. They're worth $200,000 each.
One of their security guards must have followed you. You panicked. You had to get rid of those coins.
You needed to hide them for a day or two, but where?
The gumball machine. It was perfect. You figured you'd come back when the coast was clear and pick them up.
But you had no idea that the barber shop was a front for the mob.
You found out, though, the next day when you tried to steal the machine.
I'll be right back.
Take your time.
So, was it the barber that tried to stop you, or maybe it was a customer?
What the hell are you doing?
Whoever it was, they had a gun.
Which you somehow managed to grab. And then all hell broke loose.
All for 5 pennies. That's a penny for every person you killed.
Then you said you witnessed the attack so that you could steer everyone, me, the cops, the Lucarelli family, toward that gang in Chinatown.
I didn't want to hurt anyone. Those idiots pulled out their guns. It was an accident. Things just got out of hand. And anyway, who's gonna miss them? They're gangsters, like you said.
Well, accident or not, you're going to jail.
It's jungle out there, disorder and confusion everywhere. No one seems to care. Well, I do. Hey, who's in charge here? It's jungle.